Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best yoga mats for home workout available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Gxmmat Yoga Mat. The Gxmmat Yoga Mat is made of non-toxic odorless and harmless TPE material, which is friendly to the body and the environment, suitable for beginners and professional athletes. This yoga mats come with a free carrying strap. You can carry to the gym or anywhere you want. Its high resilience TPE material offers the most comfortable experience for all level yogis. This yoga mats are durable and non-deforming home gym equipment. At number 6 we have Gaiam Yoga Mat. This classic yoga mat is great for all types of fitness and exercise routines, including yoga, Pilates, and any floor exercise where additional cushion and support is appreciated. These 2/5 inch exercise mats make for the ideal all-purpose fitness mat in the studio or at home, even around the house under knees or as a standing pad or cushion. At number 5 we have YUNMAI Yoga Mat. This YUNMAI thick yoga mat are made of TPE, which is a thermoplastic elastomer material with high strength, high resilience and non-toxic safety. You will get a comfortable experience with earn and slip yoga mat. Our yoga mats for women thick with TPE material and double-sided non-slip texture. It comes with a strong reboundability, and grip effectively protects joints and prevent injuries. At number 4 we have Retrospec Yoga Mat. You achieve elongated poses, balance and comfort all at once. It reduces pain on problem areas like joints, neck, back, and knees with Solana's thick non-slip surface. You can find strength and balance with Solana. The innovative design helps prevent injury and allows you to focus on your practice or workout. Solana comes equipped with a nylon carrying strap, so you can easily transport it from your home practice to studio salutations. At number 3 we have Outdoor Yoga Mat. The thickness of national standard comfy yoga mat is 1/4 inch. That offers the most comfortable experience for all level yogis. Outdoor large yoga mats are guaranteed to provide the optimal level of cushion and protection for your joints and knees, while still allowing you to grip the floor for balance. This premium exercise yoga mat best suitable to practice many forms of yoga. At number 2 we have Balance. Comes with double-sided non-slip surfaces. Balance from all-purpose premium exercise. This yoga mat comes with an excellent slip-resistant advantage. To prevent injuries, exceptional resilience allow you to keep your balance during any exercise style. This moisture-resistant technology makes the mat to be easily washed with soap and water. At number 1 we have Gxmmat Yoga Mat. The oversized mat has double-sided no-skid surfaces for enhanced traction and superior grip. This touch elegant and soft and flexible top layer with characteristics. At quick, resilient non-slip, excellent grip and good support to your body move. This grooved and matrix circle underside stops the mat from sliding on the floor. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best yoga mats for home workout for your need.